Hey folks, welcome to the Auman Landscape YouTube channel. We are going to unbox and demonstrate the Milwaukee plate compactor here. This thing is awesome, and the battery power is pretty impressive. We're going to show you what it can do, and I'm excited to show this to you. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Awesome.
This is the second one.
Yep. This particular kit comes with the charger itself here. Now this is the Forge battery system, and so it's a bigger battery pack than your M18, obviously, right? For the bigger equipment like the electric saws and stuff like that we use, which are awesome. So this thing has definite awesome applications. As far as I understand, about 4,000 pounds of centrifugal force for compaction, which is pretty incredible. And again, no emissions, not, you know, when you're running in a building, right? Obviously the battery, it takes emissions to charge the battery, of course, right? But if you're trying to run this thing indoors, which we love doing for Hardscape Academy here, it's really awesome for that. So we got a charger out here now. Levi, what are you doing? Battery charger itself is pretty compact. This thing is really fast. We have some other stuff that we use for this, like the saws, for example, and they call it the supercharger. It legit is a fast charge for a lot of power. It's pretty cool. Now also, if I hadn't just cut a hole in this bag, I actually reuse these bags. They're really handy for parts bags and stuff like that. I got a hole in that one. But this is the battery pack itself. All of this stuff is run through the one key system here, which is really cool because you can track it through the app and its usage and all that stuff. So that's a really cool thing. The battery's, you know, 12 HD amp hour on it. So pretty heavy duty there. And like I said, it really does charge fast. It's pretty impressive. This unit will go down, it just sits in there. And the thing I like about this too, by the way, it doesn't have a crazy button to like have to push and try to unlock it. It's just in and out and it's charging. That's freaking awesome. I love that. So it comes with 2 batteries. That's always good. So you want to be sure to get your metric adjustable wrench out, not your SAE one, right? But this handle now will fold upwards like that, and then these awesome latches right here that are nice and easy. Piece of cake. Now this thing's locked in, and we're good to go. And so that's your plate compactor there, ready to go right out the gate. And then we'll take this thing outside and show you how it works. It's pretty sweet. I've got a battery already charged, so that thing's in there and ready to go. We'll drag this thing outside and show you how it compacts. Also, they've got a wheel kit for this and a rubber plate, a poly pad. So if you need to compact pavers, you can put this poly pad on there, and then you can compact your pavers this way too. So bolts on both sides, and works out awesome. Then of course a wheel kit, which I highly recommend you get that. It allows you to move this thing around the job site or to the truck or whatever. Super easy, so definitely get a wheel kit for it. I'll show you on the one we have for the Hardscape Academy how this works here. And we've got, our gas powered equipment, and then again, like Travis has had this out on a job, and they took it up with them to a project and it worked awesome. And we'll show you this. It's got a little keeper here to allow that wheel kit. So we just fold that down like this. Get the wheel kit under. I gotta make some more room around here so I can actually get the wheel kit under it. But we'll get the wheel kit under it there. Awesome. You can see it's been used and been out in the field. But this wheel kit, I don't have time to put it on right now. Now also too, I almost forgot. This wheel kit is held back down because we put this keeper on it again. A little hard to do with one hand and video at the same time, but we're on there, good deal. Oh, jeez, my fingers were over it. Professional, folks. So we'll take this thing out. But that's the value of that wheel kit. It allows you to move a, 180 pound unit. No, hey, the cord is, little guy, the cord is tripping the safety thing. So you got to wrap the cord up, okay? We're gonna run this around in this rain, man, geez. We'll drive this thing clear over to our dense grade base and compact it. You wanna do that, Levi? If we don't get rained out like we almost have in everything this season so far. Okay, I'm trying to do this one-handed. This is not easy. Okay, so then we'll get our wheel kit. We'll get our wheel kit flipped. Doggone, my fingers are in there. We'll get this wheel kit pulled up. Wraps around there like that. Get it pinched around. Nice, now our wheels are mobile. Levi, you want to drive this thing? We'll drive it forward here. We turn on our power. You can see this battery's not fully charged, but it's being used. Oh, my fingers again. Jeez, you rookie move. Wheel kit's up. We got it turned on. We're gonna go battery or rabbit mode. We can keep an eye on our battery there. Levi, push the forward button and drive it over to that base material over there. We'll compact it. You ready? There we go. Now just to show you this one on its maiden voyage here. And again, one of these is for the Hardscape Academy, so big thanks to Milwaukee being part of the Hardscape Academy. They're in our training. And the other one is for Auman field production and content. This one is for the training aspect. But here we go. Oh yeah, that's a shipping plate. Head for the new trucks! Like with any of these smaller compactors, I don't care if they're gas powered or not, the centrifugal pounds, which this one's between 3,000 and 4,000, it's somewhere in there, I'd have to double check that, let me get that for you. But these things can only compact about 1.5 inches of a dense graded stone at any given time. You've got to get into monster compactors to do more than that on a dense graded stone. And this is what we call a dense graded aggregate, because this here, it's called dense graded. It has 3/4 minus, so it's got fines and 3/4 clean stone in it. So what we'll do is we'll kind of rough this out real quick, get this pre-compacted, then we'll pull some of this material down here, which has actually got really good moisture content to it. The great thing too about this, you'll see, is I'm gonna drive this forward and then hit reverse on it and back it up, so it's reversible, which I just love. We're gonna go in turtle mode, here we go. So now that that's just basically compacted, I'm gonna pull about 1.5 inches of this dense graded stone that's really got pretty decent moisture content. If you're compacting dense graded material like this, and there's dust flying up, it's too dry. And if it's turned into soup, it's too wet. But we might be at 2 inches there, it might be a little too thick. Using this, again, we wanna use ideally a come-along rake like this too, because that keeps your aggregate evenly distributed through there with the fines, so you get really uniform compaction across there. If you use a hard tine rake, it combs out all the small material, all the big material rather, like a comb, and you get differential compactions and stuff like that. Now we're going to roll this thing forward and get this area compacted. It maybe actually could stand just a little more moisture, but for all intents and purposes today, we're going to try it. So here we go. Okay, we've got this in. It could stand a little more moisture, I feel like, but obviously doing a really great job. But you can see the importance of why we can only add a small amount of material at a time, because we can only get what we call proctor density to 98% ideally of this material in small passes at a time. So for this tool, you can mount that poly pad onto this and then run it over pavers to get your paver consolidation pass done and your interlock pass done, and then you can also use it to consolidate your joint material too when you do that on pavers. So you know, the bolting on and off would be a little tedious, but for everything in one, it would be a really great option. So you know, great tool, super handy for a lot of different applications, and we're having a good time with it. So we're going to keep running them and see ultimately what we think of them. From Auman Landscape, the Hardscape Academy, all this battery tech is only going to get better and convenient. That's why we use it. Only for convenience. It's the most. It's a super convenient thing when you need in compact spaces, good power, and especially if you're running indoors, you don't have the exhaust running. So again, a lot of applications this could be really incredible for. So there we go, the Milwaukee plate compactor, battery powered. How about that? Awesome. We're gonna have a race. We're gonna go to the door. You ready, Levi?
You told mine on though.
Huh?
So,
You got it on rabbit? I got mine on.
Rabbit.
Rabbit. Okay, you're on rabbit. All right, hey, Eugene, go! And we got a winner.
Yay!
But now you got to back it up so we can open the door. Okay, I've got to drag my unit with no wheels so you can see. Okay, go, Levi. Let's put these over with the other compactors. So here I am having to drag this thing, taking a ton of energy. My 7-year-old, moving it no problem.
Look, one hand.
Oh, look at you, tough guy. Uh-huh. So again, you'll see these in action at Hardscape Academy next winter as we're compacting base material in there as training. Over here, Levi, man. And shop's a bit of a wreck right now. It's peak season. We're mid-May. It's going crazy. A lot of stuff in right now because we're in between projects. We'll turn that off. I'm going to show you the supercharger and how awesome this thing works. Apparently got to hold that button down longer. There we go. There you go, Levi. Nice. Got these hooked up here, and again, the supercharger system is fast and not very loud at all. So that thing will be charged up in no time. How awesome.